Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Alison membership, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Alison membership, start by visiting the Alison website. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in button located in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button to be redirected to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email and password in the provided fields. Next, if you do not have an account yet, locate the Join Now button on the same login page. Click Join Now to proceed with creating your new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Once you have done this, click the Create Account button at the bottom. You will then receive a confirmation email to the email address you provided. Open the confirmation email and click the verification link included in the message. This link will redirect you to the Alison website, confirming that your email is verified. Now return to the Alison homepage and click on the Sign In button again. Enter your credentials once more to log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the membership section from your dashboard. Select the membership plan that best suits your needs. Review the details and click on the Activate button for your chosen plan. Follow the prompts to complete your payment information if applicable. After completing the payment process, you will receive a confirmation of your membership activation. Congratulations, your Alison membership is now active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.